Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a tax collection system in your Pabbly subscription billing account, which will allow you to collect applicable taxes as per your country rules whenever a purchase is made. So to get started with this, you will have to log in into your Pabbly subscription billing account, go on settings and then tax settings. After this, you will have to click on the button which says add tax and you have to write the name of the tax that you want to collect. So in my case, I want to collect a tax called GST, which is applicable in India. So I'll write the name and I'll submit this. So my tax can be created and it has been created. Now I have to set up some tax rules according to which GST would be calculated on every purchase. So I'll click on add tax rules button and I have to select the country in which this tax is applicable. So in my case, it is India and I'll click this. Then I have to select what states of India in which the tax would be applicable. So I choose all states, but if you want to choose a single state, you can do that. And then you have to enter the percentage of the tax that is calculated according to the order total. So in my case, it is 18%. GST is 18% of the transaction. Then we have record tax ID. So if you tick this box, so on the checkout page, your customers will get a field where they can enter their tax IDs and these will be provided on the invoice. We'll see how. I'll save the settings for now and we'll understand apply reversal charge further in this video. And I'll save this and go on my product and do a random checkout to see if it is working or not. I'll choose this plan product. I have to write the name of the customer. So the customer's name would be Joshua Smiths. And email would be joshua@pabbly.com. And you see the tax has not been calculated yet because we have not added our billing address, because the tax would be applied as per the location. So I'll choose the location India and states Delhi. So you see that 18% of GST has been calculated on this plan and the order total comes to $118. So we'll scroll down and do a checkout and you see on the bottom of the page just above checkout now there is a field which says enter tax ID because we selected the record tax ID button, and we'll write the tax ID as tax ID 1234567 and this is the tax ID of this customer making the purchase. And I'll check out now. Then we'll go back to the invoices and see if the tax ID was recorded or not. And I'll click on the invoice and you see the tax ID of this customer is right on the invoice. The same invoice will be shared to the customer as well on their registered email addresses. So now we'll understand how tax reversal works. So we'll go back to settings, tax settings, and then we'll edit the same setting. Now we have understood how we can set up the rules and we can record tax ID of our customers. Now we'll understand apply reversal charge. So in apply reversal charge, if we want to reverse or like waive off the taxes of our customers if they provide a tax ID, then we can do that. So I'll take this option and in here I have to select the tax on which the charge needs to be reversed. So I'll select this and save this. Now it has been saved. We'll go back to our products and again do a checkout. So I'll choose this plan and we'll do a test checkout again. The customer's name would be Macy Williams and we'll write the email address macy@pabbly.com and then we'll scroll down and select the state and country. So the state is India and the state is Chhattisgarh. Then I'll check out through test card and enter the tax ID. You see the tax that is $36 for this plan, and we'll enter our tax ID to waive off the charges because we have selected apply reversal charge on the tax settings. So I'll write the tax ID as tax ID not found and we'll check out. Now we'll go back again to the invoices to see if the tax was waived off or not. So yes, it was waived off because $200 is the only amount that we received from our customers. The tax ID was recorded and the charges were reversed for the taxes. So on this part you see that it says enter tax ID, which does not seems very real. So you can change this text, which will appear in the checkout as well as on the checkout page. So we'll go into products and choose any of the plans to go into checkout customizer. So you can click on three dots menu and click on checkout customizer. Then in the payment fields, when you'll scroll down, you'll see the option to enter the tax ID. The field of the tax ID, you can change this title. So you want to write any other thing, you can do that. So in my case, I'm writing GSTIN and we'll scroll down and save this. So it is just for this plan. You can choose any of it. If you want to do it for all plans and all products, then you can do that. I'm doing it for each and every product and I'll save this. The changes have been saved and we'll save it from here and go back and do a checkout again. So I'll open this plan and write the details of the customer. So, and on the bottom of the page, you will see that the tax ID would be as GST number. So we'll choose the location first. And it is GSTIN number because we customized this from the checkout customizer. So this is how you set up a tax collection system in Pabbly Subscription Billing. And if you have any confusion, let us know at admin@pabbly.com so we can assist you. Thanks for watching.